That's why I want to talk about maps, because you can look at a world many different ways. Here are two. On the right side is what's called the Makeda projection of the world. That's one view of the world we lived in. That came from a Flemish cartographer in the 16th century named Makeda. I think it was created around 1569. It got really popular, Mr. Rieger, around 1959. Any idea why that became a popular map? Showed up in social studies, textbooks, elementary school, high school, that sort of thing?
Because Russia was a very important country, and Russia's very big in that map.
Yeah, Russia in 1959, really big and menacing. Russia right now might be also really big and menacing. Maybe we'll see this map come back, but there's a reason that this took hold in people's imagination. This fit with folks' worldview. This was a good representation for different interests. And so we can think about how maps are put together, because this is not what the world looks like. This is what someone describes the world looking like. And there's a wonderful geographer at the University of Wisconsin named Paul Robbins, and he says anytime a map is being made, you need to think about the conscious strategy involved and the unconscious assumptions. And that's the same with a piece of writing. What is the conscious strategy you're putting into this email? What are your unconscious assumptions about the recipient and your own tendency to describe things in certain ways?